everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Kim of Phoners, and yes, in today's video, we will be doing a quick unboxing and first impression of the Oppo Reno 4. But before that, a friendly reminder from Phone Range, don't forget to sanitize your hands. Be sure to wear your mask all the time. Be sure to wear your face shield and observe social distancing. Let's get started and see what's in the box. First off, we are greeted with a cool looking box at kung mapapansin nyo, meron siyang malaking Reno 4 na word sa harap at kung mapapansin nyo rin, meron sa taas na variant. So the variant that we have is the 8GB, 128GB na variant na available sa online and offline store ng Phone Range. So now, let's remove the box sleeve. So itabi ko muna siya dito. So, ayun guys, same sa other Oppo boxes, all white pa rin at meron siyang branding sa harap and sa gilid. So, pag open ng box, ayan, tanggalin natin. Ang unang bubungad sa atin is yung document sleeve na meron same as sa mga previous unboxing videos na ginawa natin. So, pag open natin ng box, meron tayo dito SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, and yung safety guide. And syempre, meron din tayong free jelly case na kasama na transparent. So, sa ilalim ng document sleeve, we are greeted with the phone itself. Ito siya guys. At kung makikita nyo, nandito yung mga ilang top features ng Oppo Reno 4. Pero, pag-uusapan natin yan mamaya. Let's set it aside muna and let's see kung ano pa yung mga ibang laman sa loob ng box. So, inside the box, we have the 30 watts fast charger, with USB Type-C cable, lastly, meron din tayong wired earphones, which is good dahil nilagyan pa rin nila para at least may magagamit yung mga consumers natin, lalo na ngayon sa mga online classes, meetings, and video conference. And finally, let's talk about the device. B-roll please! So, what we got here is the galactic blue color variant and meron din tayong space black color na available. Ang screen size ng phone is 6.4 inch, Full HD Plus with resolution of 1080 by 2400 na AMOLED display. The back cover of the Oppo Reno 4 is medyo reflective at kung mapapansin nyo guys, medyo may pagka-glossy or parang glass siya. Pero take note guys, made of plastic po siya. Dito sa taas ng phone, meron tayong makikitang microphone. Sa left side ng phone, nandito yung SIM card tray at yung volume rocker physical button na merong konting gap in between, which is napaka-okay para hindi tayo malito kung anong button yung hinahawakan natin. Let's check kung ano yung laman ng SIM card tray. So, what we have here is the dual SIM card slot and a dedicated micro SD card slot na okay para pwede pa tayo mag-expand kung hindi pa enough sa atin yung 128 gig. And sa right side naman is makikita natin yung power lock button na meron green accent. At the bottom, what we have here is the micro USB port. Good job, Oppo, kasi meron pa din tayong 3.5mm audio port and the microphone with speaker grill. What we got in front of the Oppo Reno 4 is a dual selfie camera na merong 32 megapixel Sony IMX616 f2.4 aperture front camera. Meron na din tayong pre-installed screen protector included para iwas dents and scratches sa phone. As for the camera of the Oppo Reno 4, it is equipped with a rear quad camera consisting of a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 f1.7 aperture, 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture ultra-wide, 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture macro, and 2 megapixel f2.4 macro mono. Sa battery naman, meron tayong 4,015 mAh capacity. As for the software, the Oppo Reno 4 runs on Android 10 out of the box with ColorOS 7.2 skin on top, which is one of the cleanest skins currently out there. The Oppo Reno 4 is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G paired with an Reno 618 GPU. It's now easier to pick up a phone call or browse through your favorite social media apps by air control. A 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage expandable up to 256GB via micro SD card, which is good for gaming and day-to-day tasks like navigating the social medias and browsing the web. We also provided benchmarks using Antutu, Geekbench, 3D Mark, PC Mark, and Andro Bench. Now, let's test the cameras. Here are the front-facing shots for selfie use and video calls. Then, for the rear camera shots, here are the sample photos and videos taken from normal and low light scenarios. With all of the features mentioned, this is actually an impressive mid-range phone. The Oppo Reno 4 did receive a lot of improvements. It got better performance, fast charging, more attractive designs, dual punch hole display, and impressive cameras. So if you are interested, the 8GB 128GB variant is available for 18,990 pesos only at the time of this recording in all phone range online and offline stores. For more infos about our upcoming promos, please like and follow us on our social media accounts and enjoy hassle-free shopping when you purchase to our online stores. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy watching. If you like this video, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you will get notified whenever we upload our new unboxing. Once again, this is Kima Phone Range. Thank you, stay safe, and have a great day. So, pag open natin ang box, wait lang, ayaw yata mabuksan. Summon nyo na yun!
Hindi mo lang ganyan. Halfway through.